Hey legends, I just want to create this backtesting video for my accountability and for you guys to actually see that becoming a profitable trader is actually possible. You can also look back at all my entries and try and analyze what I'm doing in each situation if you'd like. But this is mainly for me, and this is mainly for those people that like say when I actually open my mentorship, which I'm only going to open once I'm over 200k funded, can actually see that my strategy actually works, and then I can backtest it right in front of you. I don't have to cheat, I don't have to do anything. All I can do is just sit there and just take my trades. Some trades I know overall, sometimes I might only get like 3 trades a month or 1 trade a month, but over the whole entire year I'll make 50 to 100%. And this is only trading London session. This isn't trading New York or anything like that. The reason why I'm trading London session is because I'm currently running a full-time job, and my ultimate goal is to replace my income with my trading income. So at the moment I've got the strategy down pat. I know I do, and that's why I'm going to do this backtesting video. But it's also good training for me to do 2 years worth of trading and then log all the results in front of you to show that you can do this and it is possible. And then I'm going to, at the end of it all, go through the results, go through my risk reward, everything like that, so you guys have everything, the bare bone. You'll actually see me place trades from every single year, every month. You'll see all of the profit, everything that you can achieve if you follow the trading strategies that that are taught in Photon trading. So Photon trading, that's my mentorship. I might even add a link to below, but yeah, anyway, I'll try and keep these videos short because I want to smash through and show you how quick, once you've changed your mind, that you can actually become a profitable trader. You just need the correct strategy and you need to, yeah. Alright, I'll get cracking into it, otherwise, yeah, you'll sit around for ages, so, auto. Okay, I'm going to explain my strategy. Okay, so basically I'm looking for breaker structures, I'm looking for unmitigated demand zones, and then I'm looking for my entry criteria. So when I'm looking for unmitigated demand zones, see here how this zone here, prices come into it, shot up, then continued up. See this zone here, good thing about this zone here is it swept liquidity down below. I'm not expecting you to understand what I'm talking, but I'm doing this for myself. This isn't just for you guys. Eventually when I open my mentorship, which I will, and I might even open it super cheap even more sooner, but I don't want to charge good money unless I can prove to people I've got like a 10k payout, right? I want to actually prove to people first, but this is just for me. Okay, so we're starting our trading session the 6th of January 2022. I'm also going to log all my trades on this spreadsheet that Photon Trading has so gratefully given us students as we're learning. And with Photon Trading as well, they do all the high time frame analysis, right? They don't just do the 15-minute like I am currently, but I notice a lot of the times, even when we do our high time frame analysis, we hold most important to the internal structure anyway. And so with the internal structure, it just seems to still be profitable with the way I'm doing it right now. So I'm going to just crack into it. So this trading session, I can see this is like an internal structure, internal break of structure towards the upside. You can also see that this is also our overall swing structure. You can see this is internal breaker structure. I like this zone here because it swept liquidity below, like the double bottom. It swept it and then shot up, and now it's unmitigated. So if price comes into the zone, I'm 100% looking for a buy. However, looking at this, it's 3 AM my time. So 1700, which is next London session. Okay. So this is now London session, right? So with this being London session, we'll crack into it. So this is internal structure. You can see here on this internal structure, price has mitigated this zone here. Price has not mitigated this structure. It's not mitigated that. tough. This zone and this zone are in the 50% of the range below, I mean, so this could be a good buy. Okay, let's hit our zone. So 100% there'd be some kind of fake break liquidation within here. If you actually are part of the mentorship, we call it the LC2A. You could even say this is here. Just took a long time to play out or whatever, but yeah, so I'm looking for a buy here at 17.15. Okay, should better enter it. At the moment, my trading statistics seem to allude to me that it's 3 to 1 or 2.5 to 1 is the most profitable. I normally go 3 to 1 even though it's a lower RR sometimes in some months. But I'm trying to get that patience, you know what I mean? Okay, that's a loss. Okay, let's log that. What day was that? 17.15, 6th of January. 06/01 2022. You'll probably find early January time there'll be a lot of losses before we start making some good amount of wins. So early January, try and stay away from it. Don't come to the charts till like mid-January. But with my back testing, I'm still testing it out. You know what I mean? This is how you become profitable: is you actually medium phase B 3.9. And this sucks, right? Like, you know, there was many weeks and weeks and months where I could do like maybe even just one trade, and it's just so hard to log it because I just wasn't used to it. And it just, yeah, it gets exhausting trying to become a profitable trader, right? Okay, I'll call this a fake break liquidation. So if price comes down to here before 8:30, then we're looking for buys. If we're going for here, we're looking for sells. Okay. I'm just gonna look at all this and just see if there's a fake break liquidation within somewhere here. No. 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 Okay, now there is. Okay, fake break liquidation has been achieved. What time is it? At 20:30 I hop off, because that's my trading time. Okay. We just smashed all our zones, right? So now we're looking for buys for sure. What do we got here? Unmitigated zone here. Bang. It's 8:30. Right, next session. So one loss so far. Okay, what do we got here? We got this is the iBoss. iBoss. So yeah, everything's mitigated here. Mitigated. That doesn't look mitigated. That's bullish overall. It's unmitigated. 19, 30, 20, no trade. Oh, 8:30. Yep, no trade there. Boom, next session. Quite a large range here. Doesn't matter where you put this. It's bullish at the moment on the 15-minute. What unmitigated zones have we got left? Probably go this. You'll probably find when you do your PO selection, you'll actually learn how to use it once you've actually done lots of backtesting like this. Okay, this is starting to look good. This is nice, like bullish confluence right here. And we've got an LC2A entry, but Nope. Nope. No. This zone's failed. It's past that trading zone too. Next. See, early Jan, it's kind of hard like this, right? Look at this. It's just messy. This is definitely the low of this overall zone here. So technically, we're still kind of bullish. If we're looking for buys, we are looking for unmitigated zones. It all looks mitigated to me. 1700. Okay, market's kind of showing its hand right now, which is good, which is here. Nothing. Nothing again. I'm not seeing any unmitigated zones to hit or anything like that. Next. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking very good. You can see here that this is our little range here. This is our little range. I guess technically you could say that this is now the range, but you got this nice unmitigated zone below all this liquidity over here. See how this one plays out. Okay, it's hit our zone, 1745. Have we got a fake break liquidation within any of this? So what have we got here? We've got this high, and then this high. Bang, LC2A, bang, that's an entry. Our entry wouldn't be on this candle, it would be on this candle because this broke the low. That broke the low. Okay, now this is our entry candle. 3.7, so I go 4.2, 4.3, 3 to 1. Boom. Alright. So what's this? 12th of Jan, 1755. See what I mean? Like you might be waiting 2 weeks before you get an entry. When you do, it's a high win rate. That's what I managed to actually pull together. Learning from photon trading. But you'll probably find within yourself that the mentor, I think it is Matt, I think you'll find that he kind of trades differently to the way I do. I've kind of made it my own. And the reason why I say that is because I mainly just trade the 15-minute, right? Like, he does a lot of high time frame analysis, which is really good. But I find just trading the 15-minute for me is actually profitable, right? I'm actually finding it's actually profitable for me, and it just simplifies things. But I used to do a lot of high time frame analysis as well, like a lot. And it just confused me. But you normally find that even when you do the higher time frame analysis, that he'll end up just telling you to focus on the internal structure anyway. Like, you know what I mean? So that's actually technically with my trading setup, I would have been still in by a 0.1 of a pip, and it would have gone 93.5. Okay, so all these zones are being mitigated. I'm looking for sells at this point, honestly. But I kind of want it to break the slow before I look for a sell. Yep, okay, cool. As you can probably see from how I trade, I have very refined point POIs. They have to be unmitigated. They have to break highs and lows, so then they're strong. If we're looking at zones to trade from, I would say probably looking from here as a buy. Why don't you look at that liquidity just sitting there? Doesn't feel the best, but I've got to just execute. Looks like it would have been already tapped in anyway. 4.5. Bang, out. Okay, so what have I got here? 14th of January 2020. That's 4 pips. Oh, time was 2020. London, Euro USD. It was a LC2A medium B. Okay, we go next session. Okay, we have an internal broker structure here. We also have this zone up here. We're looking for sells from. Okay, I'm looking for a sell from here. Okay, that's looking convincing a little bit. It's got LC2A entry within here. Go 3.5, that's good. Reason why I'm taking the sell. One, lots of free fall between here and here. No real decent demand zones. That's just sufficient price action going up. 2, this is the last previous high that then broke through these lows. That's these look mitigated. These just look like efficient price action, and then price came up and then swept down. Bang. Beautiful. So we've got 17th of Jan 1840. Oh crap, that was 0, and then I think it was like 1.6 pips. 2.9 pips. 0. And then we'll go next London session. The one thing I love about the way I currently trade is there should only be 1 entry per night, and if you lose, you lose. You don't have to keep re-entering like 39.6. Okay, this is next session. There's no like strong close below here, but if I was going to look for any sells, it would be here. This has been mitigated. This has been hasn't really broken this low over here. Not looking for sells from that zone. It's just that's me done for that trading session. All these zones have been mitigated here. Probably looking at a buy. Unmitigated zone here. And then is there any other? No, everything else is unmitigated. Okay, so it's hitting within our zone. Do we see a trade entry here? No, this is size point. Still nothing. Still nothing. Fast. Nothing. Next. You know, I've been trading 3-4. I've probably been trading 2-3 years. And I've lost a lot of money. And I'm sure if you're going to start trading, or if you have been trading, you've probably lost a lot of money too, and strategy hopped and been scammed by gurus. But my need to just win at this is just so high because I've lost so much that should I take this trade? Time is at 20:35. Oh, could win. Could win. This is our internal structure currently. It's now broken our internal structure, so now we're looking bearish. I'm not going to take it, but it might win. Okay, there we go. Always follow internal structure. Okay. This looks mitigated. This is looking bullish right here. Not liking the look of this price action. Oh, that was actually a zone to buy from. Hang on. Let's just have a look if there was even an entry there. Probably not. No, no entry there. No entry. No entry. Oh, hang on. What's this saying? Is that a LC2A entry right there? Alright, we're going to take that. Wait on, let's just see what's mitigated here. Does this have reason to now go down? Maybe we should have been looking for a sell. This does look mitigated. Let's take it. Let's execute. 4.6. Doesn't matter, we've got profit on the table, we can do this. Just execute. CFE1. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Still feels like a real trade sometimes, you know what I mean? 21.35. Oh, I shouldn't even be logging that. But it was profitable. I won't log that. Next. So this was probably the zone up here. What is the learning situation out of this? Let's look at the swing structure. Let's look at the swing. That's the swing. This is the high. This was one of the clearly unmitigated zones on that swing. Yeah, I just followed internal structure. Still won. Still was profitable, but hard to know sometimes. Let's keep it moving. Okay. We're expecting price to continue on bearish from this point. Okay, that's good. Do we have an LC2A? That is the question. No, we do not. This is an LC1A, but we're not taking it. Not taking it. No, that's just shit. It's garbage. Not taking it. Next. This is the internal structure. Bang. Price mitigated this high. Now continuing on down. Where's the unmitigated zones? There's one here. There's one here too. So unmitigated zone right now. That did a nice drop. No SC28 entry available yet. Okay, nothing. Let's go next. Unmitigated zone. Unmitigated zone here too. Let's go. Nothing. Price is falling like this. The only zone I'd be looking is like the decent little section where it just bang, because all this just looks like it's dropping. Nothing. Next one. Ooh, I like this. Normally when I see this and everything's being mitigated, we're looking for buyers. So this is a buying section. This looks like a zone 2. It's an LC2A. There's an LC2A within there. I'm going to take a buy as soon as... Okay, perfect. As soon as there's a break... No, okay. Never mind. Looking for sells within this zone here. No, that's it. Next. This is what trading requires. It requires intense discipline. For the longest time, I was gambling. Got funded, got payouts, everything. I was gambling. This is what it requires. It's extreme patience, many days of not being able to place a trade. Can't take it. It's not within our time zone of London session, even though it was the winning trade. I can't trade New York yet because I work a full-time job, just like you guys if you're becoming a trader. Okay, we're at the 1st of Feb now, so that's January. Let's look at the results. Right, let's go to the dashboard. Let's look at the results. We go to analytics. Win rate 60%. Look at that. 7.1%. We're up 7.1%. Ideal average risk reward is 24 to 1. You know, I could have made big money if I left everything for a good risk reward. As you can see, look, I only traded 5 days out of a whole month. It takes incredible discipline to do that. Incredible discipline to do that. So, alright guys, that was a fantastic video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. I will do February next. We're going to do this for the full 2 years, and I'm going to prove to you guys that you can be profitable, and I'll show you all the results, everything, because it can be done. I'm this close, and then I'll open a mentorship, and then I'll go through the process of what I go through with all these videos, but I want to prove to people that this is real, this is not gambling.